Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is another Dollar Tree haul, and I hope that you are having as amazing weather as I am over here in Long Island. It is not too hot, it is not too cold, the sun is shining. I have never been happier to wake up to sun just beaming in my face, which I actually hate that, but today I was just like, it's gonna be a good day. And it is so far, so I hope that you are having a good day. I hope that you enjoy this video and stick around by subscribing to this channel, because once you hit subscribe, we instantly become best friends.
Did we just become best friends? Yup!
And please hit that notification bell, because once you hit that notification bell, YouTube may or may not notify you when I post a video. So if you do want to be notified, make sure that it has little parentheses around it, that it looks like it's being hugged, like that little bell is being hugged, because that's the only way that it might let you know that I upload a craft, which I do frequently. So anyway, let me go right into the haul. I purchased some things for my house, some things for crafts, other things for gift baskets. You know how it goes around here. So the first item that I thought was super cute were these garden gloves. I love the pattern, I love the color, I am obsessed. Ever since I was a kid, I've loved that like mustardy yellow color. So this right here, if this was a pattern on a like little tea towel or kitchen towel, I would buy it right up because I love it. And lately, I've been trying to work on my green thumb because it's totally black. I mentioned that in my last haul. So I've had flowers and all sorts of plants in my house, which I am trying. If you guys can recommend any channels that I should watch in regards to caring for plants, I have a fiddly fig, red bromeliad, a steel plant, and a money tree. That one is so beautiful. So let me know if you suggest anything or just leave your advice below, because I'm really trying here. I love greenery and I'm kind of tired of buying the plastic stuff. So yeah. The second thing that I purchased, which is totally necessary, are the socks. If you've purchased socks recently, let me know if you can tell the difference, because for me, I've noticed that their socks are a lot thicker. I always purchase socks at the Dollar Tree, and even patterns that are coming back, like this flamingo pattern, is a repeat. It is much thicker than the other sock that I have from the same pattern. Well, the other one is a darker blue. But I've noticed that their pairs are getting a lot thicker. I don't know if they're being made different. I don't know if it's in my head. Actually, I do know it is not in my head, because I actually went to my drawer, grabbed an old pair of socks, and they are paper thin. So if you're in the market for some adorable socks to put together for a gift basket or just for yourself, this is where it's at. I have an English bulldog, and no matter what I do, my socks always end up with hair on them, even if I don't walk around in my socks. How that happens, I don't know, but I got these two patterns and I think they're super cute. The next thing I purchased, this is around all year round, but I have a craft in mind and I say that every week, are the little clay pots. I don't really think this is big enough to actually plant something real in, but for faux plants, I do have a video on how I took some Dollar Tree stuff and made a faux plant, which was super cute for staging certain things, or if you're like me and can't grow anything for the life of you. I might actually end up using this for the little tablets that they sell at Target to grow tomatoes or whatever. I don't know if this is too small, but I'll do some research and try it out. The next thing that I purchased, and I wanted to get these before they go away. I don't think they're gonna completely go away, but they do put away some of their toy selection when Easter is over, and it is the Lego stuff. Well, it's not Lego brand, it's Make It blocks, but you can use this with Lego. I made a basket recently for Aria using all of the Lego stuff. I think it's so cool. I'll leave the link below. You should definitely watch that video. But my sister asked if I can make one for someone she knows, so I'm gonna do that. So I purchased more of these. And like I said, I'm pretty sure they have these year round, but it's a little harder to find everything once Easter's over. You definitely notice that there's one big aisle with a bunch of, I was gonna say stocking stuffers, but basket stuffers. I absolutely love that they have more of the little oil burners in different colors and different shapes. I do plan on making more scales, maybe not filming them because, you know, I already have that one video. But I do plan on making more scales for around my house at like different sizes and stuff, and I love the shape of these. Thank you so much to everybody who is tagging me, who has recreated the scale. It means so much to me. I'm so happy that everyone is sharing. Thank you. I appreciate those who tag me so much. Thank you for giving credit where credit is due. You guys are the real MVPs. This was kind of a impulse purchase because I thought I could put it in a gift basket, and it is the Treat Me Bath Soak. I've tried their bath bombs and they're okay. They do the trick, they do fizz up. It's not like they just die. But I haven't tried their bath soaks. You can't really mess up a bath soak. It is literally just Epsom salt, and this one might have a little bit of food coloring. Sea salt, sodium chloride, magnesium sulfate. Yeah, it's salt, some extra stuff, cornstarch, and food coloring. So as a little novelty gift, it's a good idea. This looks like something that they would sell at Claire's. The packaging, I've said it all the time. I have the ones that are shaped into little pineapples and little unicorns. If you do have a teen that you want to put a little gift together for, these are actually really, really cute. So I'll try them out, I'll see if they work, but this is mainly for a gift basket, and they do come in really pretty colors. But if you don't want to give these as gifts, you can always just take some Epsom salt and make your own personal little bath soak. I purchased more of the cutting boards before they go away. I don't think this is going to be one of those items that goes away. I think this is going to be like the rolling pins, where they have them all the time but they're hard to find, because the rolling pins never really go away. They just sell out quickly. So I did create a mounted shelf using this. If you haven't seen it, I will link it below. I do show how I mount it, and it is really secure. It's not just glued. I don't think I'm going to create another shelf using these. I'm not really sure. I did have an idea on what to do, but I think it might be a little too small. I don't know. But in the meantime, please watch the shelf video. It's in my living room, doing its thing, looking cute. Might delete later, just kidding. I found these little Compeed, I'm hoping I pronounced that correctly, and it's protective cushions for blisters. Every time I buy a new pair of shoes, a new pair of Converse, a new pair of fake Converse from Walmart, I always have to wear something on the back of my heel while it breaks in, because if not, I end up with a huge, painful blister. So I really hope this works. It says, fits like a second skin, stays in place, and it's 5 cushions. So that might be convenient. It usually takes me about a week to 2 weeks to break in a pair of shoes. It's cool for $1. It's cool to put together. If you watch one of my gift basket videos, I put a bunch of ammo pay things together. This would be really cute in there. I think everybody needs these at some point. And this was another random find, but I think it is amazing. It is a cable organizer. So it's basically just this little silicone thing that you can wrap your headphones around. If you have Apple Pods or whatever they are, then you don't have this issue. But for extension cords, for chargers or anything like that, this would come in really handy. I have a bunch of chargers for my camera, my phone, my random accessories. So this would probably be really good for me when I travel, or just to keep in my purse, to be honest with you. Another random yet really useful thing is this delicate wash bag. Who doesn't need that? There are certain items that don't have enough. People use these for bras. I actually use this for really random little delicate, like anything that has lace in it. I don't have enough clothes like that to do one load. I'm really not going to take that to a cleaner, because who's got the time? So I like to put random little things that I know that would be destroyed in the washer in things like this. It is tiny, but most clothes that does have really delicate pieces like that, at least for me, are really, really small anyway. It's usually little lacy tops or camis and stuff like that. So I just shove them in here and let them do their thing. My favorite find were these little tote bags. They are tiny. They are really, really tiny, and that is okay because I really just love the pictures on them. It is Betty Boo, and it looks like a little flour sack type thing. Then I found Mighty Mouse, and who doesn't remember watching Mighty Mouse? And Ghostbusters. How cool is this? So I've mentioned it a few times. I really love industrial decor. Like you see on my channel, I always do Farmhouse, but that's because Farmhouse meshes so well with the industrial pieces. And I feel like in a really cool frame, this would fit so well. I don't know, I'm so sorry. I just really feel like this would look really, really cool in a really nice frame or like a wood canvas, maybe some mixed media. This would look really, really cool. Or you could just use it as a tote. You don't always have to make something out of what you find. But for me, I thought I could frame these. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate y'all so much. And I will see you on the next one, hopefully, if YouTube decides to notify you. Maybe. Fingers crossed. Let's keep hope. All right, I'll see you on the next one.